Hello, welcome back to the Luo English Dictionary channel. My name is Nikki.
And my name is Agina.
If you're new here, please make sure you subscribe, turn the notification bell on so you never miss a video that we post when we post.
Today we are talking about homographs, and this is the second part of the homograph video. The first part will be posted somewhere up here, so you can check that. If this is the first time visiting this channel, you can click on that link, see that video, and then come back for this. And Nikki, as we said last time, homographs are these words that have the same spelling, but they have different meaning. So we shall continue from where we left. And what is that?
Chudo.
What?
Chudo.
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 Chudo. Let's say it has a double U.
Chudo.
Yes, chudo. Chudo is make payment. And chudo.
Chudo.
Chudo. Chudo is to pout your mouth like this. If you're sad, you do. That's chudo. So there is chudo and chudo. Good. Two.
Chuoyo.
What?
Chuoyo.
Chuoyo. Chuoyo. Chuoyo is to pierce. If you have a spear and you pierce an animal, that is chuoyo. But also, chuoyo is to sow seeds in a farm. When you put in the seeds, when you're putting the seeds into the holes, that's called chuoyo. Okay. Number 3.
Chuado.
Chuado. Chuado. I chose 3 meanings because chuado has like 5 meanings, but I chose 3. Number 1 is to cane.
To hit.
That is chuado. No, caning with a stick.
Yeah.
When it, that's chuado. Number 2, it's whipping eggs. You know when you want to make eggs and you're whipping, that is called chuado. So you chuado tongue, a chuado tongue. Then number 3 is what? When a cat is, you see when a cat is, or a dog is sitting by itself, and now it's just playing by its tail like that, the tail like that. That is chuado, iwe. It's wagging its tail. So there is cane, there is whip, and there is wag. There are 3 more chuados. And if you know any more chuado, down below, down below. The next one is what?
Dark.
Dark. Say dark.
Dark.
Dark is a large pot. In the olden days, the Luos used to have dark where they could cook vegetables and then they eat the vegetable through the week. Also, dark means to dwell or to live. Like if you want to say I stay in America, you say a dark loka. Dark loka. So dark is I live in America, or I live in Kenya, or I live in Papua New Guinea. You know why I say Papua New Guinea? Because they are one of our highest viewers.
Dagi.
Dagi. There is dagi and dagi. One, you stretch the A, so you say dagi.
Dagi.
Now, dagi means their grandmother. Dagi.
Dagi.
Dagi
Dagi.
means refuse. So, adagi, I have refused. Say adagi.
Adagi.
Dagi.
Dagi.
Yes, macha dagi. That's their grandmother. Adagi.
Adagi.
Okay. Number 2.
Dio.
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 There is dio and there is dio. 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 Now, Dio is an old woman or a grandma. Remember, Dagi is their grandma, but Dio is a grandma. Or Dio. Dio is collecting debt. When I go to your house, maybe you add my debt, then I would say, Dio, I want to come and collect my debt. Then the third one is what? Investigate. If something has happened and you want to investigate, you say, Adwa Dio. So there is Dio, Dio, and Dio. Depends on which one you choose. The sounds might not be very different. So whichever one you say depends on the context. So if you just say Dio, then someone would see what you're talking about, and then they would know what you mean. Okay? Number 2, 3,
Do.
whatever, 4.
Do.
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 There is 2. Do.
Do.
Say do.
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 So there is do and do. Do mean cattle, cows, like many cows. You say do niki. Those are Niki's cows. Do niki. Do means language, like do Luo means Luo language. Do Luo. Do cattle. Do.
Do.
Do Luo.
Do Luo.
Do Kisi.
Do Kisi.
Do. Do ano? Do Kikuyu.
Do Kikuyu.
So there is Do Kikuyu. There is Do.
Do.
Cattle. Number. Another one?
Doot. Dot.
Do ot.
Do ot.
And dot.
Dot.
Now, the ot, if you say the ot, it means a family or a tribe, or in Luo it's about a certain specific family. So the ot, or a species of trees or a species of animals when you're naming.
Yeah.
So the ot is about that. Dot is what?
A door.
A door, yes, correct. Dot is door. So dot, it's also spelled the ot, but you say dot. But these other ones is do ot. Good. And the last one?
Diemo.
What?
Diemo.
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 If I do this, Diemo.
Diemo.
You remember this is Wanga.
Yeah.
So at Diemo Wanga, I'm blinking my eye. And then also, if you meet someone on the road and you start beating him, that is called Diemo. So that Diemo is Diemo of beating somebody thoroughly. So that is Diemo. So Diemo is the same tonation is Diemo, but one is blinking, like blinking, winking, and the other one is beating. Okay? I hope you enjoyed the video. Nikki will wind up. Quickly.
If you enjoyed the video, please make sure you subscribe, turn the notification bell on so you never miss a video that we post when we post. You can follow us on Facebook and Twitter as Luo English Dictionary. You can support us on www.patreon.com/Luo English Dictionary. For now, Uriti, goodbye.